Create a Notion database for tasks and use a table or board view with the following properties. It starts looking through my Notion for any existing database with the same name. Notice it finds 3 other databases with similar names. Update or start fresh. I will choose create a brand new database. Next, I tell it where to live, personal database. The parent page name will be team tasks. It starts searching, creates the parent page, and then creates the database. Within seconds, we have a new task database with the properties I need. Let's preview the result. Now for the fun part. Let's ask it to fill the database with 7 rows of sample data. Watch it roll the dice. And of course it does. Instantly, all in one go. Now, before we preview the result, let's take it a step further and say, fill each page with relevant random content, let it work its magic, and then we'll preview the previous result exactly as we wanted. How amazing is that? It starts working, filling all pages one by one in just a couple of seconds. Think about how much time it saves. Let's take a look. Awesome! Everything's in place. Now it's time for the final command. Pull all tasks with status equals done from the Sprint Tasks database. I also provide it with a template for formatting. Within seconds, I have a polished Sprint review page fully generated from the task data. Let's confirm that it followed the exact data structure from our tasks database. And of course it did. I'm sure you love it. The good news is you can start automating your Notion workflows just like I did, completely free. But our goal doesn't stop at Notion or any other connectors. Our mission is to transform chats into AI employees, and we're waiting for you to join us.